Continuing coverage right now in the LA County wildfires, with the Red Cross reporting that 500 people still remain in their shelters tonight. Hello, I'm John White.
And I'm Karen Devine. However, they say efforts are moving from one phase of recovery to the next. News Channel 3's Gavin Nguyen is breaking down next steps that families should know. Gavin.
Hey guys, that's right. The Red Cross says it could be 6 to 9 months or even longer before they consider the job done. Until then, they're providing the essentials to those who need it the most.
It's just about recovery. Now you just got to say it's not about what you lost, but what did you find or where. That's the only way that I think I can process what's going on.
For organizations like the Red Cross, it's their duty to help fire victims like Peel.
Our primary mission right now is to provide food, shelter, emotional care, and recovery planning.
The Red Cross says it temporarily housed 1,000 people in its LA area shelters immediately after the fires. That number is down to 500 now, but they caution that as temporary housing goes away, they could see that number rise again.
We do often see in a couple months when that initial housing goes away, they need support again. And the American Red Cross will be there. We'll be there for weeks and months, as long as it takes to provide the help and hope people need.
The Red Cross says it is now shifting to recovery planning. That means helping victims one-on-one and giving financial help. The Red Cross says the dollar amount varies from family to family based on their needs, but all victims will receive some form of assistance, and that money can be used for anything between rebuilding, diapers to food.
You can apply for FEMA and receive funds that way. You can also apply or contact the American Red Cross, and we will also provide financial assistance. It's supported by the wonderful people that make donations.
Victims are also encouraged to apply for both federal and Red Cross aid.
The outpouring of support from financial donations is unprecedented, and we are deeply appreciative of everyone making their donations.
And the American Red Cross also says while they're thankful for the outpouring of food and clothing donations, what they need the most right now are those financial contributions. So links to donate to the Red Cross are available at their website, redcross.org. We also have those resources on our website, that's kesq.com. I'm Gavin Nguyen reporting live in studio.